Hi guys, today I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how I use Quizziz in my science classroom. So the first thing you'll do is you'll go to the Quizziz website, and it's the first one that pops up. And you'll need to log in, create an account, all of that. Once you're logged in, there are several things you can do, and it's very similar to Kahoot if you've used that in the past. But right here in this window, you can search for quizzes on any topic, and then what you will have after you've made those quizzes or you found quizzes that you want to favorite, you'll find all of those in the My Quizzes tab over here on the left. So if I click on this, I can just show you some of them. So I have several that I have made for all the different units that we've done. I like to use these as a pre-assessment before I start my unit, and then I like to leave them going throughout the unit so students can review, and then finally when we get to taking the assessment, I can give it as a review in class. So let me just kind of show you one that I have going. So this one, motion graphs. And you've got a couple options. So you can set this up as play live, and if you click on play live, you hit host game, and then it gives you the website to go to, and then here is your code. And this is something that you could do now. You would just post the code, and whoever's able to join could join, and you could do a live game, and then you just hit start after you've got players. The other thing is that once you have one player, you can start the game, and then everyone else can just join in as they get to it. So you don't have to wait for everybody before you hit start. I'm going to go back. The other way that I like to do these is I like to assign them as homework. And so I can let this game run. I can set a due date. So if I want to let this go until May 1st, I can set that up. I host the game. It gives me a code. I copy and paste this code onto my Schoology page. When you're finished, the other thing you can do is you check out your reports. So you can see here, it'll give you the average score of each player. And the other thing is when you actually click on one of these, you can see the questions that they missed, the questions that they got correct. Now, I'm not going to do that because it would display all of the students' names. But yeah, it gives you a lot of detail, and you can see where all of your kids are on what questions they're struggling the most with, what questions they understand. So it is a great pre-post assessment tool to use. So that is